Good day everyone. I am Krisa Angela S. Olaya from BSN 2D, and today I will be discussing a very important topic in modern nursing practice, which is the safe use of electronic health records or the EHR. So as healthcare continues to evolve, technology plays a huge role in how we care for patients. So EHRs are now part of our daily routine, which helps us in documenting, access, and share patient information efficiently. But with this convenience comes a big responsibility to use this system safely, ethically, and correctly. So let's explore what EHRs and why they matter and how we can protect patient data while improving care. An electronic health record is a digital version of a patient's medical chart. It contains everything from medical history, laboratory results, medications, allergies, and treatment plans, all stored in securely in a computer system. So unlike paper charts, EHRs can be accessed by authorized healthcare professionals anytime and anywhere. This means faster communication, better coordination, and more accurate care. For example, if a patient visits a new clinic, the nurse can instantly view their previous records, ensuring continuity of care. In short, EHRs make healthcare smarter and more connected. Now let's talk about the benefits. First, EHRs allow fast access to information. Nurses and doctors can quickly retrieve patient data, saving time during emergencies. Second, they promote better care coordination. Different healthcare providers can view the same record, reducing duplication and confusion. Third, EHRs help reduce errors. Automated alerts can warn us about drug interactions or missing data. These features make EHRs a powerful tool for improving patient safety and quality of care. So imagine how much smoother our workflow becomes when everything is organized and accessible. However, technology is only as safe as the people who use it. As nurses, we must follow strict safety practices when handling EHRs. Always keep your passwords private, so never share them with anyone. So log out of the system when not in use to prevent unauthorized access. Verify the patient's identity before opening the record to avoid mistakes. And protect screen privacy. Position monitors away from public view or use privacy filters. So these small actions make a big difference in maintaining confidentiality and trust. So let's not forget our ethical and legal duties. Patient data is confidential, and we are bound by professional ethics and laws to protect it. So sharing login credentials or allowing others to view private information is a violation of the Data Privacy Act of 2012 here in the Philippines. And similar laws like HIPAA in the United States, such violations can lead to disciplinary action, fines, or even loss of license. Ethically, it damages the trust between the nurse and the patient. So every time we access an EHR, we must remember we are handling someone's personal story and that deserves respect. Informatics is not just about computers, it is also about using technology to improve care. Through EHRs, nurses can make evidence based decisions, track patient progress, and communicate effectively with the healthcare team. Informatics also helps identify trends such as rising blood pressure or medication side effects, allowing early intervention. So it bridges the gap between data and compassion, combining science and care to make nursing more efficient and patient centered. To wrap up, the safe use of electronic health records or EHR is essential in today's healthcare system. It ensures accuracy, protects privacy, and enhances patient safety. As future nurses, We must embrace technology responsibly, not just as a tool, but as a partner in delivering quality care. Let's continue to learn, adapt, and uphold ethical standards in every click and every entry we make. We must remember, secure EHRs or electronic health records means safer, better care for our patients. I hope this discussion reminds us that technology is powerful, but it requires discipline, ethics, and professionalism from us as nurses. So every click, every entry, and every login matters because behind those records are real people who trust us with their health and their stories. So that's it. That is all from my report about the safe use of electronic health records. Thank you.